Welcome to the Johnson County Library Makerspace series. Getting started with the Prusa XL 3D printer. In this tutorial, we'll introduce you to the Prusa XL, walk through how to prepare your model, learn how to use Prusa Slicer, the software used to prepare your model for printing, and show you how to get your first print started on the Prusa XL. The Prusa XL is a large format 3D printer featuring a 5-toolhead system that allows for multicolor printing. It combines speed, open source flexibility, and precision engineering, making it a powerful and adaptable 3D printer for a wide range of projects. The XL uses PLA filament and prints layer by layer using a heated nozzle to build your design from the bottom up. Now let's look at how to prepare your 3D model for printing. Like other 3D printers, the Prusa XL works with 3D models saved as STL or OBJ files. You can design your own using software like Tinkercad, Fusion 360, or Blender, or download pre-made models from sites such as Printables, Thingiverse, or My Mini Factory. Before you print, double-check that your file is saved as an STL or OBJ and ready to be sliced in Prusa Slicer. Now, let's look at Prusa Slicer, the software used to prepare your 3D model for printing on the XL. After importing your file, use the toolbar to move, scale, or rotate your model on the virtual print bed. You can also duplicate models or have the software automatically arrange them on the plate. Under Print Settings, you can adjust the print quality for speed or detail, depending on your needs. You can also adjust settings like layer height and supports. Keep in mind that smaller layer heights equal finer details and longer print times. You can add automatic supports for models with overhangs or bridges by selecting an option under Supports. Infill can also be adjusted here. If your design uses multiple colors or parts, you can assign each one to a different toolhead. Select the object or part, right-click, and assign it to one of the 5 available tools. If your model isn't already separated into parts, you can still paint color directly onto the surface using the multi-material painting tool in Prusa Slicer. This lets you brush colors onto your model to assign specific areas to different toolheads. It's a great way to experiment with multicolor designs without editing your 3D model in other software. Printing with one tool head is faster. Adding more colors increases print time due to tool changes. Now that your model is ready, click Slice Now to generate your print preview. You'll see estimated print time and a visual breakdown of each layer. You can also use the slider on the right side to view each layer of your print. When printing with multiple colors, you'll also see a wipe tower, a structure that enables sharp color transitions and stable filament flow after each color change, while minimizing waste. At any time, you can return to the plater view by selecting it in the bottom left corner to make further changes to your print. This is a good time to confirm your print fits within your reservation time. 3D printing on the XL follows our Makerspace guidelines. Up to 4 hours of print time per week, 1 overnight print per week up to 8 hours. If your model takes longer than your reservation allows, try increasing your layer height or reducing its size. Be sure to check in with staff before sending your print, just to make sure everything is ready to go. When you're satisfied with your settings, save your file and then click Send to Printer to upload your file to the Prusa XL over the network. Once your print is sent, the XL will take care of the rest. The XL builds your model layer by layer, changing tools as needed. You'll notice the printer briefly moving aside to clean the nozzle and switch colors, all part of the automated process. After your print is complete and cooled, you can remove it from the printer. You can trim away any supports or clean up small details once you've picked it up. That's how you prepare and print your project on the Prusa XL. We can't wait to see what you create in the makerspace. For more resources and tutorials, visit jocolibrary.org/makerspace.